Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this quick video, I'll be showing you how to upload longer videos to your Instagram stories, so let's dive in. First, make sure your Instagram app is updated on your iOS or Android device. This is a new feature, so it's important to have the latest version. Next, create a new story by swiping and opening up your camera. Now, select a video that's longer than 15 seconds. As you know, the limit for Instagram stories used to be 15 seconds, but now you can upload longer videos. I'll choose a video that's almost 1 minute and 45 seconds. Once you select your video, you'll get a pop-up that says you can now upload a 60-second video. Instagram will automatically select the first 60 seconds of your video for your story. Once uploaded, your story will appear at the top of your screen as a 60-second story. I hope this tip was helpful. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment, and turn on notifications for my channel. And if you haven't already, please subscribe.